Teddy, tell us a little bit about your company.
So the company is Source Connect, registered in Ghana. And what we do is we help clients, industry, manufacturers or the wholesalers to source products, especially from China and across the world. What we do is product inspection. We do price negotiation. We help them in risk management, meaning checking the certification of the product, quality control. We also help them to get the right logistics company to ship their product from China to Ghana or to any part of the world.
What really made you choose China as the place of sourcing products to Africa?
So in the last 10 years, we've been sourcing across the world. India, Egypt, Dubai, China, Turkey, and other places. But currently, China has developed to the point that there is nothing you cannot get from China. And when you give the specifications that you want, they will manufacture to suit whatever you need. The system in China is flexible depending on what you are looking for. So that's why we choose China.
If I'm in Africa and I've never traveled to China, I would be a little bit cautious about sourcing products from China. So what makes you think Chinese products are an alternative that every African should consider?
That is why we are there. We are the bridge for you. You don't need to come to China. We have traveled across China. We've met manufacturers, we've met industries, we've met suppliers. That is why we will do the inspection for you based on your taste, and we'll give you the best deal.
But Teddy, there are already companies that are established in Ghana, so why should we choose you other than other companies in Ghana already?
So I'm a member of the Association of Ghana Industries, a trusted organization in Ghana. We also liaise with other groups in China, like the China-Africa Bridge. We are also members of the China-Africa Promotion Center. We also have an office in Dechin with the World Geospatial Information Home. We have evidence of what we can do, and you should be assured that whatever transaction business you do with Source Connect, you will get the best. Yes.
So you've just mentioned about the China-Africa Bridge. For someone who's never heard of that, can you break it down using layman's language?
So you ask the question, why should Africans come to China?
Yes.
So this China-Africa Bridge has a lot of industries in China as members. So if you want to source, because it's a trusted organization in China, the manufacturers gives all details to the association, and the association also gives out that information to customers who wants to purchase or source from China. And they've been existing for the past 10 years. And they've done business across Africa, not just in Ghana. And looking forward, they are planning to visit 3 African countries before the end of this year, 2026.
That is so informative. Now, this takes me back to your target market. What kind of organizations are you targeting to be your priority clients? Is it small and medium enterprises or organizations that have already established themselves?
So, manufacturing industries source raw materials that cannot be found in the countries of that they are located. So we help them to source those raw materials from the countries that we can get the best deals from. There are also machine parts. There are others who also are looking for experts. So it's not just about providing materials, but we also provide services.
Yeah.
So assuming somebody needs an engineer from expatriate from China, from India, or from any part, we help to source those experts also for them.
Oh, so you not only source from China, but you source from other countries depending on the need of your clients. Oh,
Yes.
that's really good, because there are some people who would love to compare the different products from different countries, and now that you give that alternative, I think it's a really good opportunity for everyone who's considering sourcing products. Something else that I really want to know, because it's Source Connect. Now, is it that you focus on a specific product, or you can actually source any product from China and the whole world?
So you heard the name Source Connect. So it's every product, any. I mean, depending on what the customer needs. And because we are affiliated with trade or industrial associations across the world, whatever you need, we can get from any of those countries for you. But our focus country is China, because it's a one-stop, I'll say, shop or country where you get everything you want.
Wow, you can source everything. Are you trying to compete with Alibaba?
Oh, Alibaba is an e-platform where you can purchase directly and make payment. You see the product there. There are times we go on Alibaba to even look at the product, and based on the factories, we visit them to see the product ourselves. So we are not competing with them, and there's a complete difference between what we do and what Alibaba is doing.
I love that you've mentioned that you visit the factories once you have identified products from Alibaba, because that's one of the things most people who source for products do. They order products online, and because they don't have any organization that can authenticate the quality of the products they've ordered, they end up getting a quality that's not what they expected. And I mean, as we all know, photos can be as perfect, but when the reality comes, it can be a little bit different. Now, I want to go a little bit deeper into the name Source Connect. What made you choose the name?
So, source. And we connect to the world, to industry, to people. So, I would say there's no barrier or restriction.
Yeah.
As long as it is legal, we can connect to it. So the source, it's by itself trying to fish out. And the connect means, you know how to connect the dots from country to country, industry to industry, person to office. So that's the connect. We are connecting the dots. Where it is difficult or it's impossible, we find alternatives. During COVID, when shipping was a challenge, freights went high. We were able to look for countries in Africa, like in Egypt, Morocco, that can ship quickly to West Africa for our industries. During the recent war in the Gulf regions, we also tried to find out what best we can do. So we realized that China is able to export goods to Europe by train without using the ports. So those are some of the opportunities or things that we do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can we do a quick interview? Yes. How was your experience? You need to tell us how your experience was. So once we're here, what do we do?
I tell you.
Are you ready for the interview? Yes. That's the only answer I take. No other answer.
I think you should be here to capture.
Oh, check. Guys, this is me trying to be having the same cup. Okay. Guys, this is such a freestyle interview.